Join us today as me and Tony Kiku for our culinary adventure to Foody World in Richmond, BC. This is the biggest Asian supermarket that me and Tony have ever discovered. And if you're big on Asian food like me and Tony are, you don't want to miss out on this. This place is massive, packed with everything you can possibly imagine. And as Tony quickly discovered, it has more Filipino selections than a typical grocery store actually has in the Philippines.
We don't even have like this in the Philippines.
Okay, tell us where we are.
We are in Foody World. It's like an Asian store in Richmond. And this one's lobster roll. This one's lobster and some clams. My God, this is
There
my
is a
world.
lot of lobster. Look at how much lobster there is.
So much.
You can have a lobster feast.
We will come back if we have a car
Yeah.
because I would enjoy just going here. So we're here in the little chips area.
This is like the fancy chip area.
This is like different flavor.
Because we
Who
have
has a
Lay's.
freaking seaweed flavor. What does it gonna taste like?
Seaweed?
Let's try that.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to try seaweed. Let's try something different.
I already tried the crab.
Okay. Well, there's other ones. There's like Texas barbecue.
Freaking, why would you want to eat a cucumber lace? Right? How would you want to eat that?
I don't know.
Cucumber and a freaking lace? Who does it? And there's even having a freaking lime. Oh my God. I need to vegetate.
Okay, well, what are these flavors here? There's lime. Oh, maybe the seaweed one's the best choice. Right? We've tried the lobster before. Oh,
Lime.
what's this one?
What's that?
Ooh, wasabi peas.
I want to eat that.
Really?
That's spicy.
I know, that's what I mean.
You get if you want.
Okay, it was 2 for $5, so I'm getting this one.
Okay, I'll try this because like I like seaweeds. I like to eat the seaweed. Let's see what it is gonna taste
Oh,
like.
yeah,
with
so we'll
it.
see which one's better, the seaweed
Yeah. Actually,
or
this
the
one is
wasabi.
barbecue, but like I don't want that. I want to try something like new.
All right, so you
I
grab
don't
that
want to
one.
go. If I go on a stream, I would try the freaking cucumber.
No,
How
that
would
can
it
be
taste like a
boring.
freaking cucumber? And there's lime.
Well, maybe the lime one might not be bad.
We're just because we can't read it, right? But we're just
Because it's
basing.
in Chinese.
Yeah.
But you can
But-
see the pictures.
But yeah, but
Right?
that's how we base what we're gonna
Obviously, those
get.
are cookies or
Depends on
something.
the pictures.
I mean, these are Oreo cookies because it says right on there Oreo.
Yeah, but like it's teen version. What's this? Same, it's like chocolate. It looks good though. They got more stuff here than a freaking store. They have this chicken in a sal ginger spice marinated. You just marinated it in your chicken. It's a chicken in a sal.
Yeah,
You freaking just put it in your fried rice. So you mix it with your fried rice
yeah.
and you got a freaking
What's wrong with
fried-
that though?
No, it's good because if you want Chinese fried rice, right? Or like a Filipino fried rice.
It's too bad we're going somewhere else that we can't take this home with
Yeah,
us.
but at least we know now.
Maybe we'll stop here when we are coming back.
You have
stop
so
here.
much stuff.
I know, right?
But look, oh, they have like this, oh.
Well, they got Western stuff, but this is the.
They have
There's
like
a lot of
this, oh.
Filipino stuff here.
We buy Nicole. I know she want this.
Yeah, get her whatever.
Get that's just one. But like so many.
Bagong Balayan.
My God, they have so many like the what you call that?
Mang Thomas.
Yeah, and this one. Look, they have tapa marinade. We don't even have like this in the Philippines.
Really?
Oh yeah. Like we don't sell this in the Philippines. I don't know where they're getting this stuff. Pickled mango, you know, like the mango in the Philippines, like the
Yeah.
green one. That's what you really want to eat, and they have it here. And I'm like, I've been craving for it for a year. But we're going to Philippines, so like, but like they have it here.
They don't have any.
Why don't I've been going to Vancouver probably 5 times now.
Mhm.
Why we never go here?
Because we didn't know it existed.
Oh my God, they have pickled
We should
mango.
make a special trip. Next time we come down, we'll make a special trip here.
Yeah, to go just freaking shop.
Mm-hmm.
Like the mango, oh my god. Nicole loves
You go
this.
nuts. Okay, what do you want to eat?
I'm gonna get drink.
Well, this looks good.
Huh?
This looks good.
I don't think so.
What is that?
I don't know.
Pineapple flavor. What's this? Do you know what fruit this is?
This one probably looks good though. Taiwanese mango juice.
Oh, okay.
Look, oh. I don't like.
What about strawberry?
Banana with nata de coco. Oh, this one. Look,
Oh, melon. Okay, yeah, try that one.
Coconut melon drink.
Yeah. What should I get? Should I get... Actually, this one looks really good. I don't know what kind of fruit this is, but I think I'm going to get this one.
Oh, this one's good. A lot of people buying this. Passion fruit.
Oh, okay. I'm in.
Okay.
All right, let's go get some food.
So we just have to put stuff in the container and then they will weigh it.
Yeah, it's all by weight.
And then that's the price.
Yeah.
So, here.
You get one, I get one. And then I guess we just help ourselves, right?
Rice wrap. Sticky rice wrap. Yeah. Curry chicken. So those are the curry chicken. What is curry chicken? Thailand style.
You should try that because we're going to Thailand.
True. What's this? Ribs. I want this.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this.
What's this? Pork chop.
Pork chop.
With black pepper. Uy, I think I like it. I will like that. All meat though. Steamed mushroom. Oh, you like this?
Yes, that's the one I like.
You don't. They have rice there.
Yeah, they got just things of white rice.
Too bad they don't have noodles.
What is that? Well, that's squid.
Squid, yeah. I'll try some squid. I'm pretty much trying everything. So. Stir fried. Oh, tomato and egg. Oh.
That's what I want to try. Not the tomato, but this one. The golden egg yolk tofu.
Tofu?
Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah, no. I don't know what's this.
It's like steamed egg.
Is it? All right. Tell us what you got.
So, you know what I got. It's in the vlog. But like, I'll taste it. I want to taste the... I taste the fish. The fish is really good.
Is it? I was looking at the fish. I thought the fish would look really good. Is that the rice?
No, what do you call this?
What was I don't know what you grabbed there. Oh, the squid.
It's good.
Yeah. I mean, it was only like $8 a bowl, so I mean, it really wasn't that bad. I want to try this the tofu. Not bad. I think I kind of expected it to taste more egg scrambled
tofu.
eggish, but not bad. It's pretty good. And then I got the sweet and sour pork.
That was good.
Yeah.
I think the noodles looks good.
And I want to try the fish.
The fish that I got is good. Delicious.
I wish I got more fish.
I told you the fish is good.
The fish is really good.
Yeah, because I tasted mine too. It's okay. We can always come back.
We can.
For dinner.
We can bring Karel and Nicole here.
Yeah, we bring Karel and Nicole here. Hi guys. So this is what I've got. I got a full bag.
You did. We got quite the haul.
Snacks
quite the
and
haul.
for my sister. And this one, like, you know, literally I'm so happy. If I'm not going to the Philippines, I'm probably gonna grab more. But like, I know where to grab more Filipino stuff next time.
Yeah.
Because it's actually not that expensive.
No, it wasn't that bad, was
So it wasn't that bad.
So
This is my favorite store now.
yeah, it's okay.
Goodbye H Mart.
Yeah, right.
Okay guys, but so I'm gonna go back to my hotel. Like and subscribe. See you in the Philippines. Love you.